In the previous episode, we looked at some of the world's largest software companies and asked a simple question. Can they survive the AI agent era? But today, we're asking a different question. If AI agents become the future of enterprise software, who profits no matter which AI agent wins? Every enterprise AI agent needs trusted data, business context, automation, identity, and continuous monitoring before it can become a reliable digital worker. Today, we'll look at 5 companies that provide those essential capabilities, not because they build the AI agent itself, but because they provide the foundation every enterprise AI agent needs to operate. Let's start with Snowflake. Snowflake is a cloud data platform that helps organizations bring data from across the business into one secure location. Instead of information being scattered across different systems, Snowflake creates a single source of truth that employees, and now AI agents, can access. That makes Snowflake highly relevant in the AI agent era. An enterprise AI agent is only as good as the data it can use. Before an agent can answer questions, make decisions, or automate work, it needs secure access to reliable enterprise data. That's exactly what Snowflake provides. The company isn't trying to build the next AI agent. It's building the data foundation that every enterprise AI agent needs to operate. The business is already performing well. Revenue reached $4.7 billion, growing 29% last year, while product revenue accelerated to 34% in the latest quarter. Unlike traditional software companies, Snowflake uses a consumption-based model. Customers pay for the computing and data resources they actually use. That means if enterprise AI agents increase data processing and AI workloads, Snowflake could benefit naturally from higher usage. Not because it sells more software seats, but because customers consume more of its platform. Looking at the stock, the market isn't treating Snowflake like the software companies we covered in the previous episode. Instead of asking whether AI agents will disrupt its business, investors are asking a different question. Could Snowflake become one of the companies that benefits as enterprise AI agents become standard across large organizations? Palantir is the next company. It builds software that helps organizations connect their data, operations, and decision-making into one intelligent platform. Its customers include governments, defense organizations, and some of the world's largest enterprises, where decisions often involve thousands of systems and millions of data points. That makes Palantir highly relevant in the AI agent era. While Snowflake provides trusted enterprise data, Palantir provides something equally important: business context. An AI agent doesn't just need information. It needs to understand how an organization works before it can make decisions or take action. That's exactly what Palantir does. Its artificial intelligence platform, known as AIP, combines enterprise data with business rules, security, and governance, allowing AI agents to operate safely inside complex organizations. Instead of simply answering questions, AI agents can begin making trusted business decisions. The business is already benefiting from this transition. Revenue reached $4.5 billion, growing 56% last year, while the company's U.S. commercial business accelerated by more than 130% in the latest reported quarter. Unlike many traditional software companies, Palantir is already seeing strong demand as organizations begin deploying AI into real business operations. The stock chart tells a different story. Despite the company's strong business performance, the stock remains in a downtrend and currently trades around 50% below its November 2025 all-time high. Investors aren't questioning whether AI agents are coming. They're asking whether Palantir can become one of the core operating systems behind the enterprise AI agent economy. Next company, UiPath began as a company that automated repetitive office tasks using software robots. Today, it has evolved into something much bigger. A platform that allows AI agents, software robots, and people to work together inside the enterprise. As AI agents become more capable, They need more than intelligence. They need to execute real tasks across multiple business systems. That's where UiPath comes in. Its platform orchestrates AI agents, automates workflows, and ensures every action follows the organization's security and governance rules. UiPath is no longer focused on simple robotic process automation. The company is building what it calls an agentic command center, a platform that coordinates multiple AI agents, monitors their actions, and allows humans to step in whenever needed. In other words, it helps turn AI agents into trusted digital workers. The business continues to grow. Revenue reached $1.6 billion, growing 13% last year and accelerating to 17% in the latest quarter. Unlike many traditional software companies, UiPath believes the rise of enterprise AI agents could expand demand for orchestration and automation rather than replace it. The stock chart tells an interesting story. Like many software companies, UiPath has also been in a downtrend, with the stock trading roughly 50% down from the beginning 2026. But unlike the companies we covered in the previous episode, UiPath isn't trying to protect a traditional software business from AI agents. Instead, it's trying to become one of the platforms that helps enterprise AI agents operate safely at scale. That's why investors are still trying to determine whether UiPath should be valued like a traditional software company or as one of the companies helping build the AI agent economy. Let's move to Datadog. The company provides a cloud platform that helps organizations monitor their applications, infrastructure, and security in real time. As businesses move more of their operations to the cloud, Datadog has become one of the leading platforms for keeping those systems running reliably. That makes Datadog highly relevant in the AI agent era. Deploying AI agents is only the beginning. Once thousands of digital workers start operating across an organization, companies need to know what those agents are doing, whether they're making mistakes, and whether they're operating safely. That's exactly the role Datadog is designed to play. The company has expanded beyond traditional infrastructure monitoring by launching AI observability, an AI agents console, and its own AI-powered assistants. In other words, Datadog isn't building the digital worker itself. It's building the platform that monitors, analyzes, and helps manage those digital workers once they're deployed. The business continues to perform well. Revenue reached $3.4 billion, growing 28% last year, while demand for AI observability is accelerating rapidly. Like Snowflake, Datadog benefits from a consumption-based model, meaning more AI workloads and more digital activity can translate into higher platform usage. The stock chart tells a very different story from many software companies we've covered. After rallying roughly 170% since the beginning of the year, Datadog recently broke above its previous all-time high and now trades only about 5% below that level. Investors appear to be viewing Datadog less as a traditional software company and more as an important part of the infrastructure needed to support the growing AI agent economy. The last one, Okta, is a cybersecurity company that specializes in identity management. Its platform makes sure that the right people, and increasingly the right AI agents, have secure access to the right applications and data. Today, more than 20,000 organizations rely on Okta to protect their digital identities. That makes Okta a critical part of the AI agent era. Before an AI agent can access company data or perform business tasks, it must prove who it is and what it's allowed to do. That's exactly the role Okta plays. It provides the identity, authentication, and access controls that allow AI agents to operate securely inside the enterprise. As organizations begin deploying thousands of digital workers, identity becomes even more important. Okta is expanding its platform beyond human users by launching solutions specifically designed to authenticate, manage, and govern AI agents. In other words, it's building the security layer that allows enterprises to trust autonomous digital workers. The business continues to grow steadily. Revenue reached $2.9 billion last year, increasing 12%, while subscription revenue remains the company's primary growth engine. Unlike traditional software companies, Okta could benefit as the number of non-human identities grows alongside enterprise AI agents. The stock chart tells an encouraging story. While the stock is still well below the record highs of the 2021 technology boom, it has been steadily recovering in recent months and recently broke above price levels not seen since April 2022. Investors appear to be recognizing that identity and security could become essential building blocks of the enterprise AI agent economy. The future of enterprise AI won't be built by one company alone. It will be built by an entire ecosystem of platforms that provide data, context, automation, identity, and monitoring for the next generation of digital workers. The companies we covered today may not build the AI agent itself, but they could become some of the biggest beneficiaries as AI agents become part of everyday business. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to NAVIXA for more market insights.